You can achieve almost any goal you set for yourself in life. But, and this is a very big but, you need to be prepared for achieving that goal to take years, if not decades. And to really prove the point I'm making here, I want to give a deeply personal example of what I'm talking about. Hello everyone, I'm Felix. I'm an Oxford Masters and Cambridge PhD in stem cell biology student, and today's Motivation Monday message is you can. When I was 16 years old, I read about Jennifer Doudna and the potential of gene editing for the first time, and I was obsessed. I was so obsessed, in fact, that I wrote a 22,000 word dissertation on the future of gene therapy and gene editing in humans, and where will we be in 20, 30 years? Will we have a cure? I found this stuff so unbelievably interesting. So when I managed to get into Dartmouth College, a small Ivy League in the States, I really wanted to find some researchers doing gene therapy out there, but there weren't any. It's a small university, and that's okay. So I dived into cancer research in New Zealand, and I did a bit of I did a year and a half of Alzheimer's research in Dartmouth, even got a publication out. But I still hadn't scratched that itch. I still had that goal of, I want to do gene therapy research. And I believed, yes, I can, you can. So I applied to Oxford for a master's in genomic medicine and got in, incredibly lucky. And once I got there, I flooded professors doing genomic medicine and gene therapy research. About 20 plus professors to ask if I could do gene therapy work with them in my third term, which is my research term. And it paid off. In that summer, I worked in the Watkins lab. I made beating heart cells in a dish, which you can see right here. And for the first time, after almost over half a decade of dreaming and longing to do gene therapy research, I CRISPR gene edited beating human heart tissue. It felt like a huge goal achieved and was a reminder of, yes, I can. Yes, you can. But as you can see, you need to be prepared for that work to almost take a decade to pay off. So today's Motivation Monday is you can, but be realistic about how long it's going to take. I'm Felix, and this has been Motivation Monday. Also, I apologize from the suit. I got back from a formal and was feeling very motivated. Bye-bye.